Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Press the 500 buttons to get the stream going. Once again, let's see if we can get some, I don't want that music. What's the other one? Artistic. No, it's not. Oh, it's this one. There we go. Alright, let me check if, are we live? There we are. We are live. Welcome aboard, ladies and gents. My name is Vinny Mini. Smash the morning session. I am going to do the afternoon session as well because today could quite possibly be the last day of the challenge. How do we know that? Well, Ross Cameron from Warrior Trading is kind of running this whole thing. He started the trading contest and he's set his sights on 25K. When he reaches 25K, he says he's done. So that will be the end of the contest when he reaches 25K. Now, we are now, as of today, I am over 50, I think I'm 52,000 right now. He's at around 22,000 as of yesterday, but he's within striking distance of 25K. So he could, oh, you know what? I'm taking this right here. I've got a headshot here coming in on NQ, giant bright green with a little HMD down below me. I'm sorry, another PRZ down below me. I am taking this one multi PRZ. Come down here and look at this one real quick. First trade of the afternoon. Let's see if we can make anything out of this here. Previous. This back here. White line there. Looking pretty good. I'll take this little headshot here. Target one up top. And little runner. I'm sorry, not a runner, just a little target two shot. We've got multi PRZ here, back of a shark. We pierced that shark by a little bit, so again, if this thing starts to break down, I will close that rather quickly. Get up there. Start to hear buyers. I'll get to a half position here pretty quick. Gonna give it to me. Yes. So NQ's MACV histogram is the only one that's red right now. ES is green, YM is green, RTY is green. So hopefully this is a catch push up. There's some buyers. I'm going to go half position. And I'm keeping that stop very tight up underneath. Across there. Get up there. I'm going to push one of these out to that gray horizontal right there. That is a prior major level from Flowmaster. Out of the way there and you can see it. You see over here on the left, this is the only one that's red. All other histograms right now, let me check that. Yeah, all of them green right now. So let's see how that plays out here. NQ's the only one that's red. Ooh, don't like the sound of that. Nope, nope, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. I'm not even gonna count that as trade one there. Let's get this thing started here. Welcome aboard, those of you guys who are new with us. We are doing the things. Trading is risky, folks. Don't forget that. And let's get this afternoon trade session started right now. then, welcome aboard. Didn't get enough of that intro. So again, today is going to be a very important day. Ross Cameron is within striking distance of his 25K. So today may be the very last day, and I really just want to I want to push it. So I did the morning session. I was finishing out code for our website that's getting released today. Don't forget, today is the last day to get gold, September the 1st. We are here. We've been talking about this for months. We are here September the 1st. Make sure you're following us on our social media. Join us on Discord. This is where all of our members are chatting. This is free, so come hang out, check out their results, check out my results, learn the strategies all down there on the left-hand side of our Discord chat right there. Now, again, this could be the last day. If Ross hits his 25K, today's it. I want to push it, right? I really, now it's the competitor in me is really wanting to go after it. So I'm doing 2 sessions here. I traded the morning session, and I'm trying to put in some time here this morning. Let's see if we can really get to it here. So again, I really don't want to give up anything right now. I am going for small targets. I'm sorry, small losses, big targets right now. We'll look at the stats here. We'll show some of the morning trades. I took some screenshots from those this morning. We'll try to go over those at the end. Look at YM. YM is giving us some pretty interesting signals up here. We've got multi-red dot coming in here on the YM. Potential short there coming in on YM. I don't know what's happening here on NQ. Everything is green right now except for NQ. NQ is shifting red. Is this a shark? Take a peek. That's a shark. Okay, I'm hearing sellers. We could use the back of that shark for a target here potentially if we get some continued break in here. Let's see. So we're breaking this headshot. Going to be an important level right here as that's breaking through. The next one down below is right at the back of that shark. Feel some speed coming in there. Use delta. I don't see. We need a setup here. NQ is moving faster than anything else. Oh wow, dropping straight to it. Okay, back of that shark here. Double king timing coming. YM, everything's looking like a dropout. I'm gonna take a shot here on YM. Multi dot coming in here up top, and we're starting to get the drop. Let's see, potential next to line. We don't have any level here, all the way down to 35,312s. Complete open space there, unless I'm missing something. High time frame. We are sitting right around the golden ropes on the tide, so I have to be careful about that. But this one looks like a good one here. Lots of red dot, pink dot. There's a green in there, but we are breaking through the bottom of that shark as well. So piercer play here. I'm gonna actually add to this position, get to a half position here, and want to see if we can put some competition away here with the old Ross Cameron today. Market's moving pretty good. It was moving good this morning. It's starting to pick up here this afternoon. Speed's not perfect right now, but I like that we're getting some action here. NQ, wow, look at that complete dive bomb on NQ. NQ still has space down to that PRZ. Wish that would have given some kind of entry there. Could have probably just taken a swipe. I should have at least gotten a little toe in the water there, tried for that back of that shark.
Delta by building.
We'll look for a red setup coming in here on NQ. Now this is solid red. We are getting the spread out now. See how this is all tight? Look to the left, all tight, tight, tight. Now we've got space, okay? So now we're opening up. We should have some bigger trade opportunities. Same thing on YM. We've been tight, 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 tight. Now look, we're opening up. We've got a big moon up here up top. Now mind you, when the first moon comes, what do we usually get? Okay, why is my drawing tool not working? Right, oftentimes we're gonna get some of this, so we gotta be careful around that. But we're gonna try in for some target action. Okay, NQ coming into, that is a diamond. If we get a dot in here, diamond dot potential. We're pushing up. We're gonna be looking for some reds. If we push down, we'll pop a green. Remember, if we're green, I'm going to be going target 1.
On the 2s.
Okay, there's a red dot. I'm going to take a shot here.
Fifth dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Get down there. Diamond dot play here. PRZ target right there, down below.
Target filled.
We've got a red dot on the 5s as well. Beautiful. Target 1. Now we've got, okay, we got to think here. We've got a cross coming in as well. Potential headshot here. Oof. Getting a white cross right back here behind YM. Oh man. Okay, so I could have held that a little bit longer. Tough one though. So Diamond Dot continuing to push down. Wow, what a nice move there on NQ. Kind of wish I would have held that a little bit longer. Okay, that is the biggest delta we've seen. Careful for a little bounce move here. Look at we got 15, 6, 31, 25s. If we push to this spot here, we'll look for a little bit of accumulation. We might be able to play both directions here around that level. Then we have another level down below us, 15, 6, 2s.
Sure.
There it is, we just touched it. Very, very fast here. Okay, racquetball play. I want to look for a bounce.
Delta buy building.
Oh, I was chicken. I should have tried for a little bounce there. Oof. Man, as much speed as that, I knew that was going to hit. I should have gone ahead and taken that a little bit. I'm a little bit nervous here. I want to make sure. So I'm in 2 trades here for the afternoon session. Don't want to give anything back. We want a big day here. Okay, white cross. I got my finger over. Oh, never mind. That is, we are building up delta there on that
Long.
NQ.
Look for a long. Delta cell building.
Okay, double king timing here. We're turning. Give me a red. I'll give us a little target 1 shot here. Nice speed. See if we can get an accumulation zone starting right here. There's my red. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit here. Target right here into the white cross. I'm gonna move my stop in. I don't want to risk too much for a play like this.
Delta cell building.
Get down in there.
Target
Yes.
filled.
Yes.
Target
Yes.
filled.
Okay, double king timing turn. Perfect. Giant delta. Delta king worked out very nicely right there for a nice little T1 right to the white cross there. Do we have any white crosses coming in? Okay. No, next spot is 15, 6, 2, 5s, and then we got a whole bunch down below. Look at that. Wow, look at that zone down there. If that's like gravity down there. If we get some good opportunities here, we could suck that price all the way down into these lines down below. Is YM gonna move here? Come on, YM, get with the program. NQ's moving very, very quickly here. YM is taking its sweet time. RTY coming into large and king coming up. Keep an eye on that one. Okay, NQ though I think is the mover right now. NQ is looking real good for speed. Double cross. Double cross there. That is red. I do not want to take that double cross to the long side on RTY. Here. We push up and give me a blue. If we start pushing blues up in it, I'm gonna mark this level. If we start to push through this, I'll reconsider. Right in the middle here. Push me up. All right, I'll give it a shot here. We're gonna go toe in the water. Let me get a measurement, F8. All right, target one, way up top there. Add to position here. So we're quarter position. Up to gold lines, I'm hearing buyers. There's stops down below the white crosses here. Whoa, NQ is pushing up big here. See if RTY can help us out here. Double cross, double move on RTY. Little bit nervous about this. We are definitely red on MACV. Come on, YM. Are you still sitting there? YM is taking all freaking day. Makes me a little bit nervous about
Fifth
that.
dot.
If we start to
Nasdaq
curve up,
on
I'll
the
have
twos.
to... Okay, what is NQ
Fifth dot.
doing? NQ
Nasdaq on the
now
fives.
putting in a green dot. Wow, that is quite a move up there, my friend. Okay, pink dot coming in on the NQ on the fives. I think we're gonna get a break here. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop just up above the pink dot right here with the red here, and let's see if we can get a break of that green dot. Probably still going to be accumulating here though,
Fifth
so I'm
dot.
a little bit nervous
Nasdaq
about that.
on the twos.
Yikes, double green dot.
Fifth dot.
Okay.
Nasdaq on the twos.
That needs to break. I got my finger over the close. If we start to push up, I'm just going to close it. We're breaking through it. Break it. Okay, adding to position. Breaking the green dot, double dot break. Pink dot on the fives. MACV, solid red. RTY, red. Okay, we got a red dot coming in. I'm going to add to my position here on YM. That is now becoming a headshot up top. Let me pull my stops in behind the cross. I should have already pulled those behind there anyway. Yikes. I don't like what RTY is doing over here. Oh, shibits. That's now a cluster. Let's get short here. Cluster.
Fifth dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
That became a cluster reversal on RTY. In the direction of the MACV. Let's try to capitalize on that. Yikes, I should have exited on that green. I'm gonna close out my NQ. I should have closed that right there. It's hard to manage 3 trades. I do not like to manage 3. That was a problem. I should have exited on that green dot right there. Didn't do it. Okay, still got YM, and there is a big PRZ target down below. I'm gonna push one out. I do have a PRZ target real close by me here. We're right inside that red shark. We've got space on
Harmonic pattern.
the
Nasdaq
eights.
on the twos.
Down to 313. Yeah, that's where we're at right there. That's good. Okay, let's see if this cluster is going to go. I'm going to go half position on my cluster here. Come on, drop it. In queue, coming right back to that pink line here. I'm gonna draw a line right here. We've got red and pink hitting. I'm gonna change the color of this. Alright, so we got a big pink line right here. We come back through this area later. This is going to be a big zone right here on this spot right there. We've got pink right here on the left. We got pink right here on the 8s, on the 5s. We got red on the 5 as well right here. All we need is a cross. A cross would be fantastic. We don't really have a cross up there until like 15, 657s. Pretty good ways up there on that. So if we push up in that spot.
Nasdaq on the 2.
Okay, we're getting a cipher right here. I'm gonna give us a little shot here. I'm gonna put my stop right back here, back behind that white spot. I will add to position up there.
Target filled.
I'm here in sellers. There's my YM working out. Let's go. Push it. Let's go. I'm here in sellers. I'm gonna add to my position here. Strike for target 1. I'm gonna pull my stops in now as we go. Major zone right there. Target 15,633.5s. Oh, that's way down there. Okay, that's all the way to the completion below. White cross is here. I'm gonna draw an F6 right here. Cross my white line. So that may be a decision point. Finger over the close here. The RTY cluster is making me nervous over there. I don't like what that's doing over there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2.
Okay, I'm closing it up. I'm gonna take a loss on my cluster. Green dot coming in right there. That could push it up. That's technically a headshot to the long side. We're going against back V though, so I'm gonna try to focus over here on NQ and YM. Don't know what's happening over there. That's a very weird cluster thing going on over there. Got wrecked twice on that one, so I took it 2 strikes on that. We're done. Alright, so drop it. Come on, king timing, double king here. Let's go. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Don't you turn up. Come on now. Drop it. Drop it. Are we accumulating right here?
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Green
on the
dot.
2.
Nope, I'm gonna close it. Dadgummit. Alright.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Pink
on
dot.
the 2.
Add to position. Getting short here. Green followed by a pink. More powerful to the short side. Let's go. Going +1. Losing track of my trades right now. I'm at least 4. Come on, drop it, dadgummit. Get me.
Harmonic pattern.
Okay, there we
NASDAQ
go.
on the twos.
White line down below for the target. I can always close it ahead of time if I have to. Yes, yes, yes. Give me that white line. Let's go. Need to push out a runner.
Target filled.
Thank you. Okay, YM hitting targets there. What are you doing to me, NQ? No way. Alright, closing it. You
Harmonic
touch the white
pattern.
line and
NASDAQ
come
on the twos.
straight up. Are you joking me? Okay, disappointed in what I did right there. Alright. Where are we up here? I've got, we're coming into some double timing right here. If we don't just push straight through, oh, we touched our line. I'm gonna close it right here. I'm just gonna, okay, there we go. I'm gonna close it right here. So we are 4 trades in. I've got 2 more trades, 5 and trade 6 to work with here. Let's try to push it here. Well up on the day, bonus day coming here. Let's push it. Let's give Ross a run for his money here. We're getting some good speed. Okay, that cluster is now coming in with a Gartley. Hearing buyers. Okay, what's our MACV overall? Everything is now at least a sliver of red. You see this? So while I'm hearing buys right now, everything is red. The better positions are going to be to the red side as of right now. You see how everything is slivered red on all histograms. YM just now shifted on the main, so YM still maybe, if we're going to catch the biggest one, may come off of the YM. So let's be watching for that one for sure. And up top, what do we have on the high time frames? NQ put in a red dot. YM inside the golden ropes. Previous was double blues though. Let's come up top and look at this. So top left, we've got the moon up here, lots of levels, so still spaced down to the golden ropes on that one. Red dot coming in here. So again, really want to be pushing to the short side. In fact, it makes me feel like I want to grab a short right now on the NQ, but we want to try to wait for a setup. Trying to be patient here. Get ourselves a nice setup first, and then we will look for those shorts on NQ. YM, and YM might actually, looking here, might be the toughest. RTY also finally breaking the head up top. 2-finger salute to the short side, space down below to the golden rope still. So all these, we really should be looking for shorts here. Got 2 more trades left. Let's make them good ones. Trades 5 and trades 6. Looking at NQ here. Let's do show all here because again, I really want to be able to strike at whatever we see show up. That cluster, oof. What is going on with RTY? Probably gonna kick myself later for not trying to hold that a bit. Okay, here in the cells, king timing is coming up in a few bars on NQ. RTY, king timing coming up. It's got a good ways on RTY. YM has a double crossover timing up here. See this? Double king coming up over here. So my final 2 trades here, I really want to king up and get king timing. Stay disciplined. Try to only strike if I get double kings. Let's see if we can get a good setup here. Pink to the left. Pink right here. Pink level up above us. There is a PRZ right here. Love to see a setup right somewhere around here in that PRZ. Give me a dot in there. Be fantastic. Okay, we're on king timing. This is a medium king. There's a crossover here. We've got, look how this opens up in space. We've got space coming as well.
Fifth dot, NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
That's actually RTY. It is a bright green on RTY. Oh, if that were on king timing, I'd maybe like to take a little scalp on that. It wasn't my final trades here. This pushes up in this area and we get a red, now we're talking. Okay, I got my finger over the sell over on RTY. If we get some kind of red set up, I'll give it a shot.
Fifth dot, NASDAQ on the fives.
NASDAQ on the fives. Okay, yeah, dadgummit. Alright, so I probably could have scalped that up, even though we're against all MACVs. There, would have been okay. But total accumulation zone happening right here on RTY. But we want the big play to the short side if we're going to take one on RTY. Really on anything right now. I really just want to stick myself to only punching short. My final set of trades here. The competitor in me is telling me, come on, baby. Let's smash it. Let's smash some Ross. Let's not let Warrior Trading get away with nothing. I haven't traded 2 sessions the entire time, and we can't. Oh, we got a moon. We got a moon. We got the moon. Okay. We have a moon. Oh, please give me a setup in here. Please give me a setup. There's a red. I'm gonna get toe in the water here. I mean, this could push up in this area here, so I'm a little bit nervous about that. But I don't want to miss if this just drops out.
Fifth dot,
Okay,
NASDAQ
pink
on
dot.
the Tuesday.
Holy schnikes, let's go, baby. Pink dot, headshot. Yeah, I'll take it. Let's go. We've got a PRZ above us. We got this one here. I'm hearing cells. Drop it.
Fifth dot, NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Yikes. Okay. That could be a problem. Do not break that pink dot, dadgummit.
Fifth dot, NASDAQ
Oh,
on the Tuesday.
yes, yes. Doubles. Okay. I mean, look, there's not going to be anything. I'm not going to get any better than that. You're going to give me some pink dots. Double pinks. King timing. There is a PRZ up above me. Drop it. Drop it. Right here on king timing. Don't you push up, dadgummit. Don't you do it. Drop it. Give me reds. Give me reds. Give me red. Give me reds right now. Inside the moon. Double pink dot. Okay, there we go. Full position. Okay, I got to start bringing my stops in now because look, I don't want to risk a lot now. So let's bring these stops down in. Behind the pink dots, we're dropping. Push out a runner. White line target down below. Get down in there. King timing here in the cells. Here the cells. Drop it. Blue to red. Dr. Seuss entry. BBI finger over the close. Drop it. Oh, don't you do it. Drop it. PRZ right there. It better turn red. Oh, don't you do it. Give me a red. Give me red.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ
Yes.
on the Tuesday.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop it. Drop it. Get in there. Double that move. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Get to that white line. We've got plenty of space. Come on. 6-3, 63,
target
6-3,
filled.
6-2-5s. PRZ right down below. Oh, don't you stop right there. Don't pop. Don't pop.
Delta
Don't
by
pop.
building.
Dadgummit. Drop it. Give me red. Give me red
Red
on the
dot.
king. Red dot.
NASDAQ
Red dot. Let's
on the
go.
Tuesday.
Add to position. Let's go. Don't you break that red. Finger over the close. Drop it.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop that red. Drop it.
Exit.
Dadgummit. Drop it.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the Tuesday. Fib dot.
Oh,
NASDAQ
come on.
on the MACV.
I may regret trying to push that. Drop it. I'm going to give this one more shot here. Right on the red PRZ here. Putting the risk on.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the Tuesday. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the Tuesday. Fib dot. NASDAQ on
Oh,
the Tuesday.
yikes. Alright, I'm going to close it. Oh, I don't know what's going to happen right there, dadgummit. Oh, we're going to break the green. Oh, you shook me. Are you joking me? I cannot believe that. You're gonna drop now after you scare me out? Dadgummit! Oh! I'm so mad at myself for that. Look at this. Would have been over 10k, dadgummit. Alright, let's trade 5. Oh my word, my $400 superstition is totally kicking in right now. Where's Curtis at? $400 away from a 10k target, my superstition. Dude. Oh, I didn't even notice that. There's a big gigantic green dot over there. Why didn't I see that? I bet everybody else is like, Vinny, there's a giant green dot right there. Oh my word. Could have exited right there. Would have been beautiful. If I had exited there, I would have been over 10k. Guaranteed. Dadgum. Man, oh man. Okay. I've got one shot left. I've got a bonus shot. I do not want to give away a bunch here. I got a $400 superstitious target. I need to think about how much I'm willing to risk here. 500 would keep me over 9k. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. All right, 6 trade, bonus trade here. Willing to risk 500 to get 400. I know that sounds weird, but that's what I'm gonna try here. We've got PRZ coming up top here. I'm still hearing sells. MACVs are red across the board still. All red, everywhere you look. Solid red. We've got 15 631s, 15 625 50s. MACV red across the boards on everything. We just need another red setup. That was a beauty. Wish I could have capitalized on that a bit more.
Fib dot.
Man, I could have perfectly exited. I mean, I had the white line there and everything, plus the green dot. I should have exited when that hit. I'm so frustrated at myself for that right there. Absolutely insanely stupid to have missed out on that one.
Fib.
Okay, we're coming right into a PRZ here. Give me a dot, give me a HMD, give me something right here.
Fib dot.
Didn't
NASDAQ
quite
on the way.
get to that PRZ. Like, so we've got green dots coming in here, pushing up. MACV still solid. Red across the boards. Again, I don't want to take anything to the long side right now. Kind of kicking myself for not holding YM farther. Look at YM. It's just a little bit too slow though. There is space here on YM. I could look short here on the YM. We've got space down to king timings. Oh, I'm hearing sells. Okay, this may be the safer play here. I'm gonna take YM. Little target down to that PRZ. Remember our targets, trying to hit.
Short.
Trying to get my little 400 here. Just give me 4, baby. Come on, I'm hearing sells. Let's go. I've got space to the king timing. Got about 2 or 3 bars. Get me down in there. Get down in there. Get down in there. I'm hearing sells. Oh my word, look at NQ. I should have just stuck with NQ. Look at NQ, it's dive bombing.
Target filled.
Oh my word, dude, I am done. Get you some.
Filled.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
Delta by building.
Oh, glorious. What do you think about that, Trump?
Look at this guy.
Oh, yes.
So shiny.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Trust me, I'm like a smart person.
That's right, dog.
Let's go. I love it.
Oh, thanks there, Trump. Me too, brah. Totally digging that. Oh, yes. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Thank you, Ross. Ross the boss has now taken a loss to AlgoBox Trading. Folks,
Can't touch this.
I'm just saying. Can't touch this.
Harmonic pattern.
Can't touch this.
NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Can't touch this. My. So hard. Makes me
Oh, man, that feels good. Woo!
On the Tuesday.
Yes, yes, indeed. Yes. Oh, man, that feels pretty good. Ring it up. Loving it. All right, folks. Let's look at the end of this trading contest. It could be the end. I don't know. I haven't seen what Ross has done. Has anybody seen what Ross has done yet? Hold on. Let's go check on Ross over at Warrior Trading. Have they put out a video yet? Where's Ross at? Small account challenge. Nope, 22 hours ago. His last one. He kind of YOLO'd it yesterday. He hit a pretty big day yesterday. Kind of got me nervous. I was like, man, I got to put this guy away. You know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta we put it up today. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek at where we're at. Almost got my 10K to try to finish him off. I tried. The competitor in me was just jonesing for a big slam dunk. So let's run that today. All right, so 71% profitable, 3.64 on that profit factor. That's what I'm talking about. Net profit 91. Oh man. Oh, I thought I was gonna be closer to 10K than that. All right, I'll deal with it. I'll take it. Shorts, we're the money maker. Long sides, not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that stat right there. I'm kind of curious if Ross puts it away today. He could hit the 25K mark there today, and the end of the contest. Let's see where we would be. Let's go back to all the way back. Today is our 42nd day of trading, despite the fact that he wanted to renumber things. You know, look, we'll let Ross do what he wants to do. You know what I'm saying? Fifth there. All right, started our trading contest all the way back there in July. Almost, did I not get? I'm just shy of 60K. All right, 58,211, 63% profitable across the trading contest so far, which could be ending today. You guys go check out Ross's video and see when it gets released. Doesn't look like he put one out yet.
NASDAQ on the
I don't know how he's done today, but he was at 22,000 yesterday, you know, and he hit a big 5K day yesterday. With the amount of speed that the market's got today, you know, he could definitely have hit it. It looked like the up move this morning. He capitalizes on up moves. He's a long only player, so he definitely could have hit that. Profit factor 2.24, pretty good stat over the contest. You're not outstanding by any means. Again, you do not have to be perfect to be profitable. I've said that many times. Let's look at the individual stats themselves. Let's go into our analysis. So trade over trade. Let's scroll this back here and see where we're at. We got that big bump there from today. Biggest trade day yet. And again, I traded 2 sessions today. So this was a morning session and an afternoon session. So, you know, take that into account. You know, I could have done way better with this competition, or who knows, maybe I would have done worse. Maybe I would have taken more losses. Who knows? Like, you really can't. Who can really say if you did more? Like, technically speaking, from our system, if you're going to run 2 sessions, you should be doing better. And I have a feeling I would, but I don't want to say, oh yeah, I absolutely would have done better if I had started at X, Y, or Z, any of that, right? I'm not saying that. But yeah, not too bad there on our mountain we're climbing there on the daily. That looks pretty darn smooth. Again, that's why I always say make sure you flip to trades, because you're going to see the drawdowns along the way intraday, because again, we are intraday players, so you do need to see trades. Don't just take on a daily basis. Net profits stay over days. Actually, this one is helpful on days. So now we can see how many red days. So across the trading contest, over the 42 days of trading, we had 4 losing days, much smaller than our winners, that's pretty good stats. Let's look at hour of day. So we had these overnight. Last night we had a few trades while I was trying to put the website together. And again, I'm like, I had it jonesing. Yesterday, after I saw Ross hit that 5K day, I mean, I really have been jonesing for, like, man, if I see good setups, like, I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to be spending more time in my office. You know, I have a lot of time I have to spend with my kids and things, and with the wifey schedule and whatnot right now while she's pregnant and whatnot in the morning. So I really have not been able to capitalize much at all here in the morning session, and I'm only getting the afternoon to play. So Danny's little competitor inside of me was like jonesing to kind of really slam some good stuff today. So I was like, I would like to go ahead and do 2 sessions. I caught some overnight there and got up early this morning, took some trades there through the morning session as well. So that's where we're at right now. Basically 2 sessions, almost 5K for the morning session. Afternoon here, putting in around 3.5, 4 for the afternoon. Not too bad to round out what almost, and woulda, shoulda, coulda here. Okay, I coulda probably hit 10K if I had, man, this one I'm gonna have nightmares over that spot right there, how I could have exited on that. and would have been over 10K if I had just closed it out right there. Oh man. Okay, woulda, shoulda, couldas. Good game. High five, everybody high fiving. Oh man, look at this push up right now. Are you joking me? Now all the action's coming. That's all right. It has been a full day, full session, and it is September the 1st, so today is the last day for gold, folks. I told you guys there was some confusion yesterday. People were like, well, is it like midnight, like tonight? I thought I had till the 1st, and I actually could buy it on the 1st, so I had some folks saying that. So yes, obviously today I'm going to be okay with, if you're going to come and join the gold, you got today till midnight tonight then, Eastern time. Tonight when the website gets dropped. Again, still working some things out to get that website out. You guys hopefully saw the screenshot and the pictures of that from yesterday. I think it's off of my reel now. But, if you guys want to go check out the new website, that should be out there tomorrow. So look forward to that. If you want to get into gold, today is the last chance to do that. That is the Black Friday offer. That again, that is the only time we ever do that huge 40% off on that Black Friday. But I'm also taking an additional $1,000 off of the Black Friday price right now. Today is the last day. We've never done that before. We'll never do it again. In the future, you will have to be paying maintenance per year. You will have to pay separately for the room. You will have to pay separately for the education. You will have to pay separately for the Pro Pack. You will have to pay separately for the Flowmaster. You will have to pay separately for the audio box. That's what's coming out on the new website. You'll be able to buy pieces individually, and the bot pack that is coming in if you get gold today is also included in the bot pack now. Not only has the lunch bot like it used to, it now is going to have 3 robots there for you. You are going to have lunch bot, you are going to have 2-finger salute full auto, and you are going to have the infamous full auto headshot bot, and that is yours if you are in gold. And we're going to send you a gold knife. Last chance to get that golden knife as well, folks. So if you haven't seen the golden knives, take a gander at this baby right here. Look at this little beauty. This is one of my favorite pieces to play with. This one has lost its lost its snap. I've played with this so much. Usually that has a nice snap to it. I've got quite a few of these around, but this one on my desk has been here for so long, it's lost its little extra spring action. I've played with it so many times. Worn it out, so I'll have to put a new one on the desk here soon. But some of you guys should have gotten yours last week. I sent out a whole bundle of these last week to those of you guys who had joined gold, so be checking your mail. If you didn't, I saw some pictures of those in the chat box, so loving that you guys are enjoying those. Let's finish out taking a peek at the stats where we're at in the contest. Because again, this could be the final day of the contest as well. They just happened to land today. Oh my word, look at this headshot right here. Oh my word. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. We're done. I'm done. This will just mess things up if I start trying to trade right now while final day of contest potentially and all that kind of good stuff here. Now if that thing starts dropping out, look, I'm gonna push it. If I can push this number over 10K, I'll just be honest, I'm gonna do it. See a big delta coming in here. I'm seeing it, but I don't want to give it back either. No. Because if I lost on this one, then I would have to take another trade, etc. Okay, not gonna do it. All right, folks, here we go. So half hour a day, day of the week, Wednesday. No surprise, our Wednesday has actually already been pretty high day there. We talk about Wednesdays. Remember, we got crude oil inventories on Wednesdays. We've got FOMC days coming in on Wednesdays on 2 o'clock. We've got the Red Star News events in the morning, plus the following day. The morning also has those Red Star News events that show up there in the morning as well as Friday. So this is oftentimes some of our best days, particularly with Wednesday and Thursday combined. Gives us the majority of our profits in general because we get the most volatility on these 2 days in general. This also another thing is that holidays tend to push the trading from when a Monday is a holiday. It happens a lot, like Labor Day coming up next Monday actually. That will push that. You know, it kind of squares everything into this area and tends to land the highest level of volatility on a Wednesday as well. So lots of reasons why, no surprise there, even with that we see that. Weekly, so our final week here was the biggest. You can now see kind of progressively over time, small account challenges, our account grew. You can start to see the P&L growing as well. We got to get some more additional size, etc. as we start to grow that account, right? Let's see, anything else we want to look at? Oh, drawdowns. Let's go to daily and go to max drawdowns. So again, we had that, this was the Afghanistan day. Kind of a bummer. You guys can go watch that video, see the emotions evolved on that day. You know, I'd almost take that as an outlier. Still ended up the day in positive. But again, the max drawdown, if you guys are looking at that, means you could be net positive in one direction. So you could be, like in a case like this, a minus 8K. I could be up 3K on a day, minus 5 or plus 5, and all the way down to a minus 3. It's the end to end from the high, the peak of the high, to the drawdown. It does not necessarily mean that you were down 8K on that day. So keep that in mind if you are looking at your stats, something that you want to pay attention to and know.
NASDAQ
So
on the
as
bus.
the account grew, you also see that the drawdowns get slightly larger, right? This should be relative. If you are trading well and trading consistently, this is what you should see. You know what? I am so glad I did not take that headshot. Look at that. See, I would have gotten stopped out right there. Now I would have, what am I going to do? I would normally draw a line right here. Actually, there's already one there because of the auto drawer for us. If we break through that level, what am I going to do? I'm going to re-enter and take a shot at that, right? You guys know how we do. Follow the rules, let the tools do the work. And that is a little triple move right there. Oh my word. You know I want to take this. You know I want to. So tempting. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, go back to our summary sheet, I guess, to end this whole thing. Because again, like today could be it. Or we could have more days. We'll see. We'll see how Ross does today when he said when he hits 25K, he's gonna quit. And that will be it. That will be the end of the contest. As of yesterday, where we stood was he was at 22,000 and we were at 52 approximately. So, you know, pretty good little journey here, pretty good little competition. You know, high fives to Ross. I mean, obviously we've won no matter what. Because when he hits 25K, I would literally have to blow my account today or tomorrow in order for me to lose or for him to win at this point, because he is going to quit at 25K. So there's no like, you know, going for it. However, you know, he also may be wanting to YOLO it, right? He may crush some massive day. He's got account size now. He's at 22,000 in that plus his 22. So yeah, he's at 25,000 in his account. Now actually that might be it. He may actually quit today. I hadn't even thought about that, because did he say 25K profit or when he gets his account to 25K? And think about that, because if he's at 22 plus 25, that means he's only $500 away from having 25K in his account. So again, I'm pretty sure the contest is going to be over today unless he has a red day, at which point then there would be some additional days. So there we go. All right, I'm babbling on and on about the roster. If you guys want to hang out with us and join us over there in the crew, of course, you know what to do. Make sure you follow us over here on our social media. We have a whole lot of fun here. Discord, of course, super important. And of course, don't forget to do this for me. Likes are free, folks. Hook us up with that, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Thanks for hanging out here through the whole contest. I hope you guys learned a whole lot from what we were doing here with a lot of that. If you guys got questions, of course, Discord's a good place. You can do a 2-week free trial and all that. You will still be able to buy our stuff. You just have to buy things individually, and it'll cost more after the day if you're going to get the whole pack and everything included. So thanks for hanging out, folks. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang, let's send out that big H-Town. See ya.
In a world of scammers and shammers, there arose one demigod to wreck them all, making trading great again.
Fib. NASDAQ on the twos.